POCO C55 has been launched in India officially after multiple teasers. This is the company's latest C-series offering and will be placed in the affordable segment. The handset ships with a water drop notch for the selfie snapper, a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for security, an IP52 splash resistance coating, and a scratch-resistant display with oleophobic coating. The handset features a polycarbonate build with a faux leather finish on the back panel, and this makes the phone stand out among the regular designs in the budget segment. POCO C55 features a 6.71-inch HD Plus display resolution, a standard 60Hz refresh rate, 120Hz touch sampling rate, Panda Glass, and a water drop notch. The phone is powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 Associate paired with ARM Mali G52 GPU for graphics, 4GB per 6GB LPDDR4X RAM and 64GB per 128GB storage that is further expandable via a microSD card. The phone runs on Android 12 based MIUI 13 custom skin out of the box.